Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the G4 notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the G4 notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, hard disk drive, optical drive, keyboard, and top cover. Removal: grasp the Mylar tab on the optical drive connector cable and disconnect it from the system board. Disconnect the Bluetooth cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the Bluetooth cable from its routing tab on the base enclosure. Remove the Bluetooth module from its cradle on the base enclosure. Place the Bluetooth module in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the Bluetooth module from the static dissipative bag. Place the Bluetooth module into its cradle on the base enclosure. Route the Bluetooth cable through its routing tab on the base enclosure. Connect the Bluetooth cable into its connector on the system board. Connect the optical disk drive connector cable into its connector on the system board. Caution: ensure the speaker cable is free from being pinched between the optical disk drive connector cable and its connector on the system board.